Hey, Stelco Countertops back again with another giveaway, but this time we're doing a top 10 from our insiders group, so stay tuned, enjoy the video. This channel is geared to giving you free online training and step-by-step tutorials to teach you how to become an epoxy pro. Whether you need to remodel your kitchen, your dining table, your garage floor, maybe you're a contractor and you're doing a commercial job, maybe you're an artist, a woodworker, from top to bottom, Stelco Epoxy teaches you how to. Not only do we bring you this DIY channel, we also have a Facebook group, Stelco Countertops Insiders, where we have thousands and thousands of members that have joined and showed their projects off to their fellow peers to get their opinions, maybe some other pro tips and tricks, and to find out if anyone in their area can help them with their project. So welcome to Stelco Countertops Insiders, where sometimes we'll pick a few out to be entered in a contest for them to win free product from our online store, StelcoCountertops.com. In our recent giveaway video, we actually had two winners. They won a total of $1,500 to StelcoCountertops.com, and all they had to do was join our insiders group and post their project. So in this video, we're gonna give you the top 10 that we found. So what you're gonna do is drop a comment and vote on which one you think is the best. I'll go ahead and number them 1 to 10, and the winner is gonna get a $1,000 gift card to StelcoCountertops.com. And just so you know, these are some of the most recent projects. These aren't the top 10 of all time, so don't be discouraged if your project wasn't picked. Keep posting your projects and you might be entered in the next Stelco contest. And without further ado, here is your Insiders Top 10. Alright, that wraps up today's top 10 Insiders projects. We hope you enjoyed the content. Make sure to drop your vote. And until next time from Stelco Countertops, we'll see you on the next video. You got this.